Okay, getting close to 500. Okay, 588 cents. Okay, so really close, but still a little too big. So I need to make the monthly payment smaller, extra monthly payment smaller. So let me make this bigger. And then I crossed over. So that means that the solution is somewhere between 18.8 and 18.9. So I'll go right in the middle of those two. Okay. This needs to get bigger. So this needs to get smaller. So I decrease this by the incremental step of 0.01 now. Okay, that's closer. This still needs to get bigger. So this has to get smaller. I'm not skipping any increments. Right? Oop, getting closer. Oh, even closer. And it crossed over. Oh, but that's within 25 cents. So that's close enough. Okay, so that's the idea. You want to do the same kind of thing for row 5 and row 6, right? The third loan down and the fourth loan down. So that this comes out 100, 200, 300, 400, and 500 within 25 cents. Okay, and next time I'll show you how to get these numbers really fast instead of by trial and error. But trial and error is very important because the really fast way is available in Excel but not in other spreadsheets. The trial and error way will work in any spreadsheet. So you use LibreOffice Calc or some other spreadsheet, you can always do the trial and error way. And it's a good technique to know how to do anyway. Spreadsheets are wonderful in that you can figure stuff out using trial and error. Okay, so I didn't do these two because I want you to have the opportunity to try those out on your own, right? Trial and error. Make this $300 within 25 cents. Make this $400 within 25 cents. Okay, so you don't have to do that right now, but you have to go back and do that eventually. Okay, so let me do one more. Let's make this look a little bit nicer. So I'm going to highlight all of this right here. You could do it by holding the shift key down and hitting the right arrow and then hitting the down arrow. And then on the home menu, I'm going to basically choose the borders. I'm going to say all borders. Okay, and it puts in a nice set of borders like this. Okay, so pretend that we're going to make a chart now, okay, from this data. But the data has to be fixed up for this loan and this loan, right? So first the base loans, second, third, fourth loan, and fifth loan. That still has to be fixed up. So this is 300 and 400. But pretend that I've done that. Okay, I didn't do that because I want you to have some practice doing trial and error. What we want to do is we want to make a chart of the extra monthly payment versus the amount of interest saved. Okay, so let's go back to the spreadsheet. If I did this and highlight it with the mouse like this, then I get an extra column in between because extra monthly payment is not right next to the amount of interest saved. Okay, so that's no good. We don't want to do that. What we want to do instead is highlight this first column. Okay, I'm not highlighting row 1, right? Starting from the number. Hold the control key down and then highlight the second column.